Hi, I'm Jenny Harkleroad, owner of Balanced You, and today I'm going to give you another little tip and trick to enjoy some peace and calm over the holidays. So this one is called an ear roll. So first off, you're going to get out your ears and you're going to use your thumb and pointer finger, and you're going to start at the top and you're going to unfold the folded part of your ear, like turning them inside out. Some people tell me that hurts, but it always feels good to me, so hopefully it feels good to you. Turning them inside out and then working your way down your ears and pulling out on your ears. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. And then pulling down on your ears and down on your earlobes. So your ears are actually, if you've ever seen a reflexology chart of your hands or your feet, how there's parts of your hand and feet that go with every part of your system. Well, your ears are the same way. So massaging your ears really helps every part of your body, and it feels really nice. So I should have told you this before I started, but turn your head to the right and turn your head to the left before you start the ear rolls, and see how far your head turns. And then after you do the ear rolls, do it again, and don't be surprised if your head can turn a whole lot further. It really relaxes all the muscles in the neck and shoulders. So if you're stressing out during the holidays while you're driving, one hand on the ear and then switch. I want you to have a wonderful, happy, safe, festive holiday, and stay happy and calm and do some ear rolls if you need to. All right, enjoy.